Is your two-handle kitchen faucet leaking around the handle area? In this video, I'll show you how to repair a two-handle kitchen faucet, remove the stem assembly, replace worn gaskets, and get the faucet working properly again. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Before taking anything apart, plug the sink drain so small parts won't accidentally fall down the drain. Using a small screwdriver, carefully pry off the cap that covers the screw holding the handle in place and set it aside. Looking inside, you'll find a Phillips screw. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen and remove the screw, then set it aside. Lift the handle off. Some handles can be stubborn, especially on older faucets, but this one comes off easily. Next, use pliers to carefully loosen the escutcheon. Be gentle, because too much pressure can damage thin metal or plastic parts and create the need for additional repairs. With the escutcheon removed, you'll be able to see the valve area. In this case, there's a small leak around the stem. Before removing anything further, shut off the water underneath the sink. Use the handle to confirm the water is off before moving on. Step 2. Remove. Using pliers again, carefully loosen the next nut below. Different faucets may have different designs, but the principle is the same. A metal or plastic nut holds the stem assembly inside the valve body. Once loosened, gently pull the stem assembly out. Turning the stem shows how it opens and closes the water flow. You'll notice several gaskets and O-rings on the assembly. Remove the O-rings and set them aside. Take a look inside the valve body and inspect the components. Some faucets use ceramic discs or rubber washers to control water flow, but on this faucet, those components are built into the assembly. If replacing the gaskets doesn't solve the problem, replacing the entire faucet may eventually be necessary. Step 3. Install and test. Reinstall the gaskets onto the stem assembly. Wipe away some of the corrosion that has formed around the assembly before putting everything back together. Notice the small indexing tab on the stem. It allows the assembly to fit only one way, making installation easier. Insert the stem assembly back into the valve body and tighten it securely. Reinstall the escutcheon. If you ever need to service the faucet again, it should come off more easily next time. Place the handle back on. The indexed edge allows it to fit in only one position. Reinstall the screw through the center of the handle and tighten it down. Snap the plastic cap back into place. Now turn the water supply back on underneath the sink. Test the faucet and make sure the leak is gone. If everything looks good and there are no more leaks, the repair is complete. And that's how to repair a two-handle kitchen faucet and replace worn gaskets. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.